how to make friends, users I follow, and followers can see my inventory on Roblox mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make user friends and users I follow and my followers can see my inventory on Roblox mobile. First thing, go to Roblox and now click these 3 points here in the bottom corner and now click settings and then privacy and go down. Here you will find it, who can see my inventory. Click on it and then click this one and now just go back and it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.